Every year, the same thing happens. Families gather, kids unwrap new phones and tablets. Everyone logs on at once, and within minutes, the entire cell phone network chokes, the Wi Fi slows to a crawl, text lag, and video chats freeze. Phone calls also drop, and the apps fail. Towers are overloaded. And suddenly, the most connected people in history can't communicate at all. Let's talk about it. Merry Christmas and welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. Today's video is brought to you by Amazon, and I've got a link down in the description down below. If you want to find a way to support HamShackTV during this holiday season, do your Christmas shopping with my HamShackTV Amazon link. You get the access to everything that Amazon has, but you also are supporting HamShackTV as well. So any support purchases you make, we do get a small commission for. Appreciate you checking out Amazon in the link in the description. Now, all this happens before the storms hit, before the ice, before the wind, and before the Christmas Eve power outages that always happen somewhere. But every Christmas, one thing never fails. That's ham radio. Not once, not ever, never, ever. Not in any storm, grid failure, outage, or overloaded holiday network meltdown. And here's why. Ham radio doesn't need towers. Phones rely on towers. Radios rely on you. Your antenna, your battery, and your skill. When the network collapses, ham radio keeps going strong. Number 2, ham radio works in every storm. Winter storms, ice, snow, power outages, it doesn't matter. Ham operators stay connected while the rest of the neighborhood goes dark. Number 3, it cuts through the chaos. Hams coordinate emergency traffic. Spotters report the weather. Neighbors check on each other. Repeaters come alive when everything else fails. And every single Christmas, the proof shows up again. Phones die, radios live. Number 4, radios don't need permission to talk. They don't need a corporation. They don't need cell towers. They don't need network priority. They just talk. And here's the best part. Right now, you can jump into ham radio cheaply and easily. Because today's video, again, is sponsored by Amazon, as they have massive holiday deals on ham gear. If you want to support HamShackTV, all you need to do is click on the Amazon link down in the description, as I said below. Then type in ham radio into the Amazon search bar. And then, boom, you're supporting this channel and getting great deals on radios, antennas, power supplies, and emergency gear, and it costs you nothing extra. But it helps me make more videos like this. So this Christmas, when the phones freeze, the towers drop, and the network melts down, you'll be the one person in the neighborhood who can still talk. That's why ham radio outperforms cell phones every single Christmas. And that's why you need to be radio ready before the storm hits. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Merry Christmas and welcome to the Shack. Guys, I can't appreciate y'all enough. Please consider using the Amazon link down in the description down below. That Amazon link certainly goes to help the channel. We've got some great plans for 2026, including a trip to Orlando, Dayton, Huntsville, and who knows where else we might end up. So make sure you use all the affiliate links down below, guys. Thank you so much. And also consider a channel membership. Channel memberships are cheap and easy. That's an easy way for you to support HamShackTV. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.